how to switch account on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you switch or change your account on Facebook. So let's get started. On this process, at first you have to open the application Facebook on your device. Alright, so after you open the Facebook and you are logged in with your account, you'll get such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the option 3 line just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from the menu section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and from here, tap on the option logout. Okay, tap on logout. Okay, so once you have logged out your current account, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, if you have login or create a profile on Facebook app, you can easily switch by tapping on that another Facebook account to switch your account. So simply tap and choose your Facebook account from here. And after you tap on that, you can easily switch your account on Facebook. Although you can also try to log in with your another account by entering their username and password. So for that, tap on the option use another profile, and from here you can easily log into your another account, and after then you can easily switch or change your account on Facebook app. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.